Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Tune 230. In this video I'll show you the controls. In the beginning, take your earbuds out of the charging case. Here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. On the left earbud, once press indicates ANC mode and ambient aware. Press twice to enable tag through. In calls, press twice to answer and end calls, and press and hold to mute and unmute the microphone. While not in call, press and hold to activate voice assistant. On the right earbud, press once to play pause, twice to skip to next song, and 3 times to skip to previous song. You can also answer the calls, mute microphone, and activate voice assistant like on the left earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.